Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this amazing video I am going to show you a very quick but very useful Excel trick. And that is that let's say you have a folder and you want to extract all of the file names in Excel without using any formula, with just a single click, and you don't have to know any coding for that because we are going to do something amazing here with the support of ChatGPT. So for that we need a developer tab to be enabled in Excel. So to enable that, you can just click on any menu, and on the right hand white space just click on customize the ribbon. Now you can see the developer tab will be unchecked like this if you don't have developer tab shown here. So just check that and you have the developer tab here. Now I'll go to Visual Basic and click on Insert and click on Module. Now here I have to write the code, right? But I only know what to do and I don't exactly know the code. So we will ask ChatGPT to do it for us. Now I only ask ChatGPT to write a VBA code to extract all file names in Excel from a specified folder with select folder option. So let's just copy this code and paste it here and close. That's it. Now let's test if this works or not. I'll go to macros, and here we have extract file names option. If we run that, it will ask you to select the folder, and we have our folder right here. So let's click here. So it says file names have been extracted and listed in the worksheet. Click OK. So we can see here by default it places all of them in sheet 1. So let's try to do this again. Let me show you again. Let's actually delete this other sheet. We only have sheet 1 now. So I'll go to macros, run the macro. It will ask you for the folder selection. Let's select the folder and we are done. So if you want to join our full course regarding Microsoft Excel and learn some amazing techniques, you can check the description below. And with this said, I hope you liked the video, and if you did, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell so that you can get notified of all the future videos. This is Saad signing off from today's video. Take care.